சிங்கிள் பசங்க இப்ப மிங்கல்லாக வந்திருக்கோம். தாஜ்மஹால் கட்ட ரெடி சிங்கிள் போட்டுங்க. சிங்கிள் பசங்க இப்ப மிங்கல்லாக வந்திருக்கோம். கமிட்டடு ஸ்டேட்டஸ் பார்த்த சிங்கிள் போட்டுங்க. சிங்கிள் பசங்க சிங்கிள் பசங்க சிங்கிள் பசங்க சிங்கிள் பசங்க
சொடக்கு மேல சொடக்கு போடுது என் விரல் வந்து நடுத்தருவில் நின்று சொடக்கு மேல சொடக்கு போடுது. சொடக்கு மேல சொடக்கு போடுது என் விரல் வந்து நடுத்தருவில் நின்று சொடக்கு மேல சொடக்கு போடுது. ஐயவங்க இருக்கீங்க என்னையா செய்வீங்க எப்பயா செய்வீங்க? சொடக்கு மேல சொடக்கு மேல அப்படி சொடக்கு மேல சொடக்கு போடுது என் விரல் வந்து நடுத்தருவில் நின்று சொடக்கு மேல சொடக்கு போடுது. சொடக்கு போடுது என் விரல் வந்து நடுத்தருவில் நின்று சொடக்கு மேல சொடக்கு போடுது. சொடக்கு மேல சொடக்கு போடுது என் விரல் வந்து நடுத்தருவில் நின்று சொடக்கு மேல சொடக்கு போடுது. நடக்கிறவன மறக்க விடணும், அழுகிறவன சிரிக்க விடணும்.
எல்லா துளிகளும் முத்துக்கள் ஆவதில்லை சிற்பிக்குள் விழும் வரை என்று நேர்த்தியான விளையாட்டை வெளிக்காட்டி வென்றவர்களுக்கு பரிசளிக்கும் தருணம்.
Immense pleasure. Now I am going to announce the names of the prize winners. Parents, please give them a big round of applause. Harish V, first prize in English speech, second prize in Tamil speech, and he got second prize in musical chair. Dharanika A, first prize in singing contest, second prize in English speech, third prize in running race. Avanisha R, first prize in running race, second prize in singing contest, and she got third prize in Tamil speech. Nivedita B, first prize in water filling and Tamil speech. Samyukta M, first prize in musical chair, and she got third prize in singing contest. Selvaragavi A, second prize in water filling and third prize in English speech. Water filling, first prize goes to Ashwin J. Running race, first prize goes to Bavitran R. Musical chair, first prize goes to Sugail S. Running race, second prize goes to Darshit G. Musical chair, second prize goes to Niveda T. Running race, second prize goes to Rachana S. Water filling, second prize goes to Muhammad Ishad M. Musical chair, third prize goes to Vignesh T. Running race, third prize goes to Abhineshwaran M. Water filling, third prize goes to Qadar Al Sakil N. Water filling, third prize goes to Dhanishti R. Musical chair, third prize goes to Meghavashini MK. Water filling, third prize goes to Rogita M. Consolation prize, Kobi Krishnan KS.
There is a prize, dear parents, there is a prize distribution for your competitions also. பெற்றோர்களுக்கான பரிசளிப்பு விழாவும் நடைபெறும். எனவே அனைவரும் அமர்ந்து விழாவை சிறப்பித்து செல்லுமாறு கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம். விழாவை சிறப்பித்து பரிசுகளை பெற்று செல்லுமாறு கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம்.
Again, the warm welcome to all the parents for our 32nd annual day celebration of our school. Here is another wonderful and messageful drama for you. If you can't go your laziness, you will be very successful person in your life. In this drama, a father had 3 daughters. Among the 3 daughters, 2 were very lazy. One of his daughter was very wise. The father wanted to distribute his wealth. Before distributing the wealth, he wanted to check the whether they were responsible or not. ஆமாங்க, ஒரு அப்பா தன்னுடைய 3 பொண்ணுங்களுக்கு சொத்தை பிரித்து கொடுக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறாரு. 3ல் 2 பொண்ணுங்க சோம்பேறி, 1 பொண்ணு புத்திசாலி. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன நடந்ததுன்னு நீங்களே பாருங்க. I would like to welcome the drama participant on stage. How lazy my sisters are. Mala, don't you have manners? We are sleeping. Don't you know that? Hey Manga, what do you think of a hard worker? You pretend to be a hard worker. I know this. Don't disturb us again. Mala, come, let us sleep. It is waste of time. Manga, you woke up very early today. Yes, Mom. I have a lot of work in our farm. Go and call your sisters for help. No, Mom. They're still sleeping. Okay, I will see you at the breakfast. Oh God, when will these girls learn good manners? Ramaya! Good morning, sir. Vegetable soup. Thank you, Ramaya. Where is Mala, Magadi and Manga?
Mala Magadi are sleeping. Manga has gone to padfield early in the morning.
Are they still sleeping? Go and wake up them, Ramaya.
Mala Magadi, wake up.
Ramaya, we don't want
God, what shall I do now?
Ramaya, were they woken up?
No, my lord, they are still sleeping.
Who lazy they are? Mala, Magari, wake up!
Ramaya, don't speak further this.
Lazy girls, what is the time now?
The time will be at 6:30 a.m., Father.
6:30? You worthless. The time is 10:30 now.
10:30, Father. The alarm didn't ring at right time. Yes, Father. We have to repair alarm.
Alarm functions well. You are not functioning well.
Father, Manga didn't wake up us so that we...
Don't blame others for your faults.
Father, you always support Manga. Don't be partial.
I am not partial. Manga was start for this family. Don't forget it. Get ready and come to living room. I am going to take the important decision. Got it?
Yes, Father. What decision will it be?
My dear daughters, I am getting old.
Father, do you take the medicines? Father, do you take the medicines regularly?
Yes, I do. But this cough is killing me day by day.
Father, what do you want to say to us?
My dear daughter, I want to distribute the wealth to you all.
That sounds great. When do you distribute in wealth, Father?
Before distributing a wealth, there is a test for you all.
What is, Father?
Ramaya,
Here there, sir. Father, what have you kept inside the bag? Any diamonds or gold coins?
See Ramaya, see my daughters. No daughter, a bag of grains.
Grains?
Use the grains best way possible and come back after 1 year. Ramaya, distributing a grains.
After 1 year.
Mala, come here. How did you use the grains?
What did, Father?
Very nice.
Father, I can't remember those grains. But where did I keep? Sorry, Father, I lost the grains.
You very irresponsible, Mala. Magadi, how did you use the grains?
Father, somebody has stolen my grains, Father.
What? Who stole your grains?
I think a thief would have stolen the grains.
Did the thief steal anything?
No, Father, the thief stole only the grains.
See, Ramya, how cleverly she lied.
Father, I didn't like, trust me.
Magadi, your story was good, but it's unbelievable, Magadi, unbelievable. Ramaya, where is Panga? Why didn't she come?
Sir, she is the voices of all your doctors. She will come soon, sir. Thank you, Ramaya. Here comes Manga. Manga, why are you late? Father, you said that we are irresponsible. Yes, Father. Now see, Manga is not on time.
Manga, how did you use the grains?
Father, I need a bullock cart and a man. Why, Manga? Are you going to take part in bullock cart race? Mala, I think Manga is going to say a new story. Will you shut your mouth? Father, I sowed those grains. The grapes got grown up. I harvested those grapes.
So you need a bullock cart and man to bring those grains here, right?
Yes, Father, you are absolutely right.
Mala, Magari, see Manga. Who was she? Listen, Manga will govern all my properties.
Them forests.
You will get your share when you become hard workers.
Dear sisters, don't worry. You will get your share. Manga, what are you talking? They are irresponsible. No, Mom. They are my lovable sisters. I trust them. I will never give up them. Sorry, Manga. We have blamed you many times. But you didn't do wrong to us. Dear sisters, don't worry. Hereafter, we work
together and make our family and country feel very proud. Yes, we do.
Dear friends, shall we say a message? Conquer your laziness.
Conquer your laziness.
Work hard.
Work hard.
Make your teachers
Make your teachers
and parents
and parents
feel very proud.
feel very proud.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for enlightening us with a beautiful truth, my dears. வீழ்வெல்லாம் உயர்வதற்கே விடாமுயற்சி வெற்றிக்கே. Dedication and hard works lead to success. So it's time to bestow the winners of grade 5 with prizes and medals. I invite grade 5 children to come to the stage and get your medals.
It is my pleasure to announce the prize winners from grade 5. Akshaya T, first place in potato collecting, first place in Tirukural recitation, and second place in Tamil speech. Hemastri S, first place in singing contest, first place in Tamil speech, and second place in musical chair. Afra K, second place in potato collecting, second place in singing contest, and third place in Tamil speech. Deepika S, first place in lemon and spoon, second place in English speech. Janmita S, first place in English speech, second place in running race. Varshika S, first place in musical chair, second place in singing contest. Vishwa S, first place in running race, third place in Tirukural recitation. Kanika Sri M, second place in lemon and spoon, second place in Tirukural recitation. Shakti Kamalesh A, third place in potato collecting, third place in English speech. Long jump, first prize goes to Sanjeev M. Musical chair, first prize goes to Sivabalan R. Potato collecting, first prize goes to Dhanushkaran V. Thread and needle, first prize goes to Kailviri S. Water filling, first prize goes to Purvika B. Balloon bursting, first prize goes to Rubika A. Running race, first prize goes to Sendamil S. Long jump, second prize goes to Ajay Kumar S. Musical chair, second prize goes to Ashwin K. Running race, second prize goes to Harish S. Potato collecting, second prize goes to Mohammad Sagin. Water filling, second prize goes to Monisha R. Balloon bursting, second prize goes to Bavitra M. Long jump, third prize goes to Abhishek K. Long jump, third prize goes to Adavan B. Musical chair, third prize goes to Brindan M. Running race, third prize goes to Sivivan. Water filling, third prize goes to Abarna T. Balloon bursting, third prize goes to Divyadashini M. Running race, third prize goes to Latika K. Musical chair, third prize goes to Lavanya S. Lemon and spoon, third prize goes to Mumina M. Potato collecting, third prize goes to Rubika R. Thread and needle, third prize goes to Varshika A. Thank you, students.
தோல்வி என்பது முடிவல்ல, வெற்றி என்பது எளிதல்ல என்ற வாக்கிற்கிணங்க விடாமுயற்சியோடு விளையாடி வென்று காட்டிய மாணவர்களுக்கு வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஓவரால் சாம்பியன்ஷிப் announcement. So, in our school we have followed a method of collecting the marks, and we have divided into four houses and the marks are scored. So here, with the 591 score, the red house becomes a runner for this academic year 2023 to 2024. So I request Tahur House children and the head to receive the trophy. Congratulations, my dear students, for your teamwork and your effort. It is filled with the academic performance, sports events, and extracurricular activities which is given by grade 1 to 5th children. It is measured from the grade 1 to 5th children. So now, after a year of long battle, the Blue House, Kalam House, snatched the winner trophy. So I request the Blue House children to receive their trophy with their head. Congratulations, my dear children. I request our Managing Director, Mr. Ellarasan Saranamuthu sir, to give the trophy to the students. So, behind the trophy, the stories are, there is the activity-based learning as well as the skill performance by the students, academic performance, sports events, everything is calculated. And this group, this house has awarded with 695 score. Thank you, my dear children, once again, and congratulations for your winning. பள்ளியில் நடந்த விளையாட்டு விழாவில் பங்கு பெற்று வெற்றி பெற்ற பெற்றோர்களுக்கு பரிசளிக்கும் நேரம் இது. So I would like to invite the parents to come on the stage. Balloon bursting. Now the prizes for the mothers. Sahira Barvin, Umar Aslam's mother. Umar Aslam's mother, Shahira Barvin. Sugail, Balgis Begum. Sugail's mother, Balgis Begum. Abhishen's mother, Vasanti. Hafsa's mother, Ragmat Nisha. Gautam's mother, Punita. Darnesh mother, Ruby. Sahira's mother, Bargat. Abhinandan's mother, Sandhya. Once again, I'll read the name. Kindly come to the stage and get your awards. பெற்றோர்கள் மேடைக்கு வந்து பரிசுகளை பெற்று செல்லுமாறு கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம். உமர் அஸ்லாம்ஸ் மதர் சாஹிரா பர்வீன், சுகைல்ஸ் மதர் பல்கிஸ் பேகம், அபிஷன்ஸ் மதர் வசந்தி, ஹப்சாஸ் மாம் ரஹ்மத் நிஷா, கௌதம்ஸ் மாம் புனிதா, தர்னேஷ் மதர் ரூபி, சாஹிராஸ் மதர் பர்ஹத், அபிநந்தன்ஸ் மதர் சந்தியா. Now it is for the fathers. The awards is for the fathers who walked on the paper. The event name is Walking on the Paper. Mahil Mitran's father, Sendil Rajan. Hemashree's father, Sivamani. Santoshini's father, Vijay Ruben. Amudini's father, Kannan. Akshat Pranav's father, Rasu. Harimitra's father, Sendil Kumar. If a student's mother is here, kindly come and receive the prizes. Hemashree's father, Sivamani. Santoshini's father, Vijay Ruben. Amudini's father, Kannan. Akshat Pranav's father, Rasu. Harimitra's father, Sendil Kumar. So now, guiding parents, Saileshwaran mother, it's for mother. Saileshwaran's mother Vijay Sandhi, Sasini's mother Cecilia, Duruvan's mother Mala, Rachana's mother Nitya, Nishwan's mother Vedanayagi, Pavitran's mom Uma, Harish mom Selvarani, Yadesh mother Devadarshini. Once again, I'll read out the names. Saileshwaran's mother Vijay Santi, Sashini's mother Cecilia, Duruvan's mother Mala, Nishwan's mother Vedanayagi, Pavitran's mother Uma, Harish mother Selvarani, Yadesh mom Devadarshini. So we have given the event Finding the Children. In that, there are many parents got the prizes. Tamilarasan mother Mageshwari, Sri Vivan's mother Nadia, Harnika's mother Kalaiselvi, Srimadi mother Bhairavi, Raja Yogeshwaran mother Pavitra, Sajina's mother Nilofer, Inyastri's mom Kalayarasi, Pavitra's mother Shanti, Srileka's mother Krishnaveni, Jashiha's mother Rafia, Kanishri's mother Jaypriya, Danshika's mom Rekha, Samyukta's mother Sudha, Rubika's mother Jayamaladi, Sahana M's mother Sindhuja. There is a big battle between both parents, both sides of the parents. So in that there are tug of war. We have Pavinita's father Palaniyappan, Niranjana's father Karthikeyan, Kavin's father Manikandan, Gokulakshikan's father Pugalarasan, Varsha's father Anbarasan. Again I'll read out the name for the fathers. Pavinita's mother father Palaniyappan, Niranjana's father Karthikeyan, Kavin's father Manikandan, Gokulakshikan father Pugalarasan, Varsha's father Anbarasan. Now it's time to have prizes for the mothers tug of war. Munishwaran's mom Anbuchelvi, Tamilmaran's mom Suganthi, Abhineshwaran's mother Mala. If you are here, kindly come and get this prizes, my dear parents. Akshaya's mother Chitra, Kaviniya's mother Vennila, Ryan Mohammed mother Farina, Selva Priya's mother Devi, Roshan's mother Sureka, Deepika's mother Kavita, Imayavarshini's mother Mageshwari, Devasanjana's mother Gokila, Giptiya's mother Banu, Jay Arush mother Satya, Ashwin mother Tamilarasi, Sarvesh mother Anita, Kaniyasri's mother Sumati, Agnishwaran's mother Chitra Devi, Dasmiya's mother Yashmin, Niva's mother Priya, Tigalga's mother Radhika, Sarasri's mother Ramya, Magadish's mother Akalya, Vishwa's mother Kausalya, Vivekan's mother Nirmala, Gaushik mom Anandi, Darshit mom Gayatri, Muhammad Fahi's mother Anis, Rishan's mother Priya, Pujita's mother Kalaiselvi, Nitinya's mother Kirtika, Sanvika's mother Satya, Asmina's mother Benasi. Adding a feathers to the crown is awarding the noble teachers with prizes. Let us have a pillars of Saint Anthony's on stage. I request all the teachers to get the prizes. நமது பள்ளியின் தாளாளர் அவர்களை ஆசிரியர்களுக்கு பரிசளிக்குமாறு தாழ்மையுடன் கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம்.
Mrs. Selvi DTN, Headmistress of the school. Thank you, Miss. Mr. Arivalagan sir, MSc B.Ed. Thank you for the support, sir. Miss Aishwarya, MA B.Ed. R. Aishwarya. Thanks for your contribution, Aishwarya. Miss Vanitha MSc B.Ed. Mrs. Kalayarisi B.A. B.Ed. Miss Samila B.Sc B.Ed. Thank you, Samila. Miss Aarti, Mrs. Aarti B.A. B.Ed. Thanks for your effort, Aarti. Miss Aishwarya B.Sc B.Ed. M. Aishwarya. Mrs. Dharani M.A. B.Ed. Thank you, Dharani, for your support. Miss Meena B.A. B.Ed. Miss Sophia MSc B.Ed. Mrs. Sivaranjani MSc B.Ed. Mrs. Jodi M.A. B.Ed. Mrs. Uma M.A. D.Ed. M. Uma. Mrs. Sarathi B.A. D.Mon. A. Uma MSc. Mrs. Durga Devi B.A. Mrs. R. Koikila MBA. Miss Subha MA MPhil. Miss Snega BSc B.Ed. Now I would like to welcome all my drivers on the stage. ஓட்டுநர்களை மேடைக்கு அழைக்கிறேன்.
உடலின் அனைத்து உறுப்புகளுமே உயிருக்காகவே இயங்குகின்றன. எமது பள்ளியின் இன்றியமையா வாகன ஓட்டுநர்களையும் அலுவலக பணியாளர்களையும் கௌரவிக்கும் தருணம்.
வெங்கடாச்சலம், he's been with us more than 8 years, I hope. 8 வருடமா எங்க கூட இருக்காங்க. ரொம்ப நன்றி. கனகராஜ், thank you Kanagaraj for your support. Karthik, thank you Karthi, மிக்க நன்றி. வெற்றிவேல், சதீஷ், thank you சதீஷ், ரொம்ப நன்றி. ஒரே ஒரு ப்ரைஸ் விட்டு போயிருக்கு, பேரண்ட்ஸ் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணதில். thank you.
நமது பள்ளிக்காக மிகவும் அரும்பாடுபட்டு நமது மாணவர்களை ஒவ்வொரு நிமிடமும் தனது சொந்த பிள்ளைகள் போல பேணி காக்கும் நமது அலுவலக பணியாளர்களை தற்போது கௌரவிக்கும் தருணம்.
அன்னலக்ஷ்மி, ரொம்ப நன்றி ஆயம்மா பசங்களை பார்த்துக்கிறதுக்கு. ஆர் செல்வி,
அன்பு கரம் கொண்டு உதவி கரம் நீட்டி எம் பள்ளி ஆண்டு விழா வெற்றி பெற உழைத்த அனைத்து நல் உள்ளங்களுக்கும் நன்றி கூறும் தருணம் இப்பொழுது. I'd like to invite our Managing Director, Miss Udaya Ezhilarasan, to convey the vote of thanks.
I wanted to congratulate you for the successful annual day celebration. I could see efforts of both teachers and our children. Many congratulations to you and the entire school team. இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியில் வரவேற்புரையாற்றிய திரு எழிலரசன் சரவணமுத்து அவர்களுக்கும் பெற்றோர் ஆசிரியர் கழக தலைவர் துரைராஜ் அவர்களுக்கும் இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியை தொகுத்து வழங்கிய ஆங்கில ஆசிரியர் திரு அறிவழகன் அவர்களுக்கும் இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியில் ஆண்டறிக்கை வாசித்த திருமதி எஸ் செல்வி அவர்களுக்கும் பள்ளி தாளாளர் பொன்னியம்மாள் சரணமுத்து அவர்களுக்கும் மற்றும் பெற்றோர் ஆசிரியர் கழகத்திற்கும் ஆசிரியைகளுக்கும் மாணவ மாணவிகளுக்கும் ஓட்டுநர்களுக்கும் மற்றும் உதவியாளர்களுக்கும் இந்நிகழ்ச்சியில் ஒளி அமைத்து கொடுத்த சதீஷ் ரேடியோஸ் நிறுவனத்தாருக்கும் பள்ளியின் சார்பாக நன்றியினை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
நேஷனல் ஆந்தம்.
जनगण मन गदिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब सुभाषिष मागे जागे तब जयकारा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
சந்தோஷம் சந்தோஷம் வாழ்க்கையின் பாதிபலம். சந்தோஷம் இல்லை என்றால் மனிதர்க்கு ஏது பலம்? புயல் மையம் கொண்டால் மழை மண்ணில் உண்டு. எந்த தீமைக்குள்ளும் சிறு நன்மை உண்டு. ஓ